we have to get started. Welcome. Review session, Physics, Biochemistry 10101. I only have 3 minutes because I have to go to get lunch. So, let's start now. Any questions, first off, before we begin? Anyone? No? Fine. Alright, what's this? Is it important? I showed you this 7 or 8 lectures ago, and you remember what's being demonstrated here. No one? God, okay. You'll see, most important thing, several things in here. Most important thing are the little bits all around. Lots of things, lots of bits. Remember, the first part of the course is counting. How many are there? Count them. Which part of the label question I'll ask you, how many are there? Then I'll ask you, how many aren't there? Things like that. Of course, you see also the scarf here. It's red. Question there. Why? Who chose that? What's the point? Is it a fashion choice? Something like that. What outfit would this go best with? Things like that. And of course, why is it floating? It's obvious. Levity. Up. Like this. Where's my marker? Levity. Like that. Up. So, the scarf does not fall. Gravity going down. We counteract that. Dietary advice. Green beans. Always a good choice. How many green beans should a person eat in a day? Of course, it depends. If you're a man, if you're a woman, if you're a gay man, gay woman, bisexual, transsexual. Different numbers. Anyone remember? I think it's 1 for all of them, but the different ones, you have to remember your different ones for this question. You've got 1, you've got 1 with a little arrow there, you've got 1 with that. This one's uncommon, still used. That's a T. Don't get confused. Oh, also Roman numeral 1. Don't forget about that one. Which is this? The little one. This is a problem on scale. The person's very small, the person's smaller. Picture's big. Why? Because it's far away. White space. You're supposed to draw something there, like a cat, or a fish, whatever you want. I won't draw it here because this is a screen, and I want to mark it. Any questions? At all? No? Alright, then what's this? You've all taken my class. You've all been to lecture. I assume it's required. I don't take roll, but it's required. Anyone know? First off, okay, fine. First question. Who are these people? This one. For example, I believe a few years ago I gave this quick picture, and I asked people to name each person, give them a short summary of who they are and why I chose to put them in the picture. This case, this is my son, this is my other son, and I have no idea who that is. That's the man I left my children with that day. And of course, they're looking at this son, my third son, all of our son, the sun. Or the moon, depending on the time of day. I think that one's the moon. I think it's in between. I think it's going into moon phase. So it's like twilight as it's setting, it sets as the sun rises as the moon. And then we have the surfboard here showing us vectors, pointing lots of places, so you know where it is. That's why the surfboard has the points, so you can find it. Follow the lines of the surfboard. Waves, of course, quantum mechanics. You can see they come up on the shore, and they break or decohere and become wet sand. Right there. Sand, waves, decoherence. How am I on time? Okay. I will finish this up. I dropped my camera. This is the last picture I took. Dropped it in the water. So, I managed to get this picture out of it, but unfortunately I couldn't take any more pictures because it's waterlogged. So, nice shot though. I use this as my desktop background. Any questions? Anything? Alright, I guess I've got to go. Don't send me an email. I have too many, but if you put them in my outbox, I may read them. Alright. Go to your classes.
Hi Jake, it's verb day.